milk. Now we will add the whipping cream and we will add the sugar. We will mix it. The main goal is to mix it until the sugar is melted nicely. Now the sugar has nicely mixed the coconut to this. We will cook it until this moisture dries up a little in this and it becomes more shiny. Now we'll add cardamom powder, which is optional. You can see the texture over here, how it is sticky. Half of the mixture. So using our spatula, we'll just flatten it, making sure it's spread evenly. For the next layer, here I have my mixture, and to this I will add some red food coloring, and I'm going to add just a little bit of rose water to it. We'll give it a mix, and now this is ready to set up on that layer. Press it on the top and slowly spread it all over, pressing it down. Put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour and then cut it into slices. Now you can cut it into your desired shapes.